Namaskar, I'm Gargi, and today I'm doing this video because I'm very angry, hurt, and disgusted for what is happening in Bengal. I am receiving phone calls and I'm feeling helpless because, of course, I can't do anything sitting here in Mumbai. I'll tell you one incident. There was a girl who used to work for me, and then she went back to Kolkata. She lives in a village near Kolkata. She got married there, and they had voted for BJP. And then 2 days back, I got a call from her husband. They are just living in fear because near their place, the BJP office has been vandalized. The candidate who stood for the election, that person's house was vandalized and broken. So they are just living in fear. And you all must be knowing, all by now know, and people across the world know, that how so many of Bengalis, more than 300 people have fled Bengal and gone to Assam, and Hemanta Biswa Sarma's government, and they have given refuge to these people. Women are getting molested. 101-year-old lady, she was sitting to eat her food. The vandals came, the Trinamool goons came and attacked her. She also was not spared. I don't know. I don't think this happens in any other civilized state. See, we have seen elections in 4 other states. Assam and Puducherry, BJP has won. DMK has won in Tamil Nadu. The left front has won in Kerala. But no violence. ठीक है, election है, जीत है, हार है, कोई हारेंगे. That doesn't mean the state will terrorize the people. Once the party comes to power, the chief minister is the chief minister of all the citizens of that state. It's not that the cadres of that party will go and terrorize people that why didn't you vote for us? You have got a huge win. Celebrate that. But what is this? Women are getting molested, houses are ransacked, houses are set on fire. And what are the central leadership doing? The same people who went from other states to Bengal, where are they now? Where are they? They're doing their meetings in 5-star hotels and AC room. Is that the way to do? Only one lady I heard, Rakhi Mitra, she has been shouting. She has been asking for recounting of votes. Yes, my maid's husband who called me, he has been sending me all videos and Facebook posts of where they're saying that there has been fraud in the election. But of course, I or you, nobody, we can't ask for any recounting. Don't ask for recounting if the leadership does not want to. But at least protect your people. JP Nadda goes, all the MLAs, they take oath in an AC hall that they will fight this violence ideologically. But tell me one thing, where in the history of mankind violence has been fought ideologically? You continue your fight ideologically, by that time half the people will flee Bengal and half the people will perish, the women will be molested. Sir, this is the time to do something. An MP has so much power, and an MP is tweeting that I cannot go to my karyakartas and workers because my car will be attacked. You have so much power, then why are you a leader? You have so much power. You have the central forces to protect you. Ask more forces to come and protect you. Go to your workers. Go to your karyakartas. Go to your karyakartas. Why will these people next time come with you? Why? What was the fault of these poor people? They live in those thatched houses, small houses. They are poor people and they are getting killed. Their life is getting ruined. And today, central leadership and coming and meeting in 5-star hotels. BJP had a history of whenever they used to go, they used to stay in the Karyakarta's house. Now you are okay, you have money, stay in whichever hotel. But go to your Karyakartas, go to your workers. It is your duty to protect them. If not now, then when, sir, when? When will the central leadership, and why central leadership? There are 18 MPs from West Bengal. There are 77 MLAs. This is not the time to do meeting. Go and stand by your workers. Go with all your might and power. Go with forces, but protect your people. Give them the assurance that you had given them before the election. Now that you have lost, so the central leadership will go back. What is this? This lady I quoted, Rakhi Mitra, she has been shouting. So what happened? Goons, 20-30 people came in front of her house. Flags of both Indian flags and BJP flag were uprooted. They were trying to locate her house. Yesterday, she had a narrow escape because the nor'westers came in Bengal. You know nor'westers, the storm that comes during this time. So the nor'westers came, so those people went away. So today they might again come to attack her. So she will be voicing her protest and raising her voice for the people, and no leadership will do anything. the MPs, the ministers, it is not your duty? Modi ji, Shah ji, request to you. Our Prime Minister, we supported you because we believed in an ideology. The people of Bengal looked up to you, Modi ji. They respected you. They had hopes from you. Okay, you have not won, but it is your duty as a Prime Minister, as the person whom they respected and believed, to protect them. So do anything, send your central leadership, but do everything in your might to protect the people, the poor workers, the karyakartas who are suffering, who are dying, who are getting killed, the women who are getting molested. If not now, people will be fleeing Bengal. Educated Bengalis are saying that they will flee Bengal. And don't even expect Bengalis in Bengal to come and support you again. Please do. This is high time. Please do. Protect the women, protect the men, protect our children. Please don't let the Bengalis' house being set on fire. Please don't let the women being raped and molested. Don't get them killed. Do something. Thank you. Dhanyabad. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram. Bharat Mata ki Jai.